Today, we are glad to recommend you this WLtoys Polestar X1, the latest 6-channel Flybarless RC helicopter. First of all, its canopy, its blue and white style is so cool. If you ask about the dimension, the overall length of this WLtoys V977 is 270mm, width and height are 48mm and 77mm. The weight of the entire bar is about 48.5 grams. Total weight is about 1,118 grams. Made of high-quality metal, plastic, and perfect construction, it provides awesome 6-channel aircraft and durable enough to endure crashes. It's aerodynamically designed to achieve unparalleled stability. Uses 1106 brushness outrun the main model with 3.7 voltage, 450 mAh 20C Harish battery. Transmitter has 3D, also known as idle-up switch. Supports switching between 6-axis and 3-axis gyro modes. 6-channel remote control with 3D idle, throttle, hold switches, large LCD screen display, a low voltage alarm function. It has the hovering point set, so you can set the hovering point as needed. 3D mode for 3-axis gyro, sensitive and flexible for aerobatic flight, rolling, inverting, hurricane, pendulum, and many more. Normal mode is 6-axis gyro, allowing stable flight, suitable for beginners, suitable for children about 14 years old. Our RC helicopters have excellent frame performance.